I decided to get what Emerson College calls a brand new ass in a box. Don't ask me why. I honestly think that maybe, just maybe, probably give it a chance. If not, hey, guess what? I got something else to destroy. Why I bought it, I don't know. But if you notice, well, you can't really see it because of all the clutter. I'll show you in a minute. But was it to replace my good 50-cent box fan that I got at a yard sale last summer? No, it's not. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. Maybe do like the other one. Chuck it in storage for about 6 years. Probably never to bring it out. Well, for starters, when I opened the box, all this little shit came in a little bag. Let's take a peek. Well, I think I found a replacement PlayStation 2 cord. Instruction manual. It used to be instruction manuals were like maybe 3-page booklets. Now it's just little things. I'd have to be bilingual to read this. Oh well. We'll see about that later. And the little plastic feet things, because obviously it's obviously so damn thin. I mean, woo, look at this, yeah, it's real heavy. Woo. As it does its little dance. Whatever. We're gonna see how well it works. Just found another issue with this. Apparently the controls are on the back. Why, I don't know. But yet, if you notice, I'm not sure if you can see because the camera sucks, the dial position, even though it's off, it's on the high position. And when you have it in the high position, it looks like it's in the medium high, in the medium high position. Medium is still medium, and medium is low is in the low medium position. It's just, it sucks, man. Of course, I'm still gonna ask myself why I bought it. And ooh, look! I think I saw it. Yeah, patents pending. Yeah, who wants to recreate this piece of shit? But who knows? Okay, now that I'm thinking about it, I'm going to attempt to put this thing together. Oh yeah, that's real snug. Yeah, real tight. That's gonna jog off under vibration. Probably pose a fire hazard. See, I just easily pulled it out. Should be some notches or something. Alright. Next, what? I can see why the... Hell, that old Kmart I have in back there has the feet, but yeah, that's obviously that's an option because it's nice and wide. Damn it, I hate these side sealed plastic bags. Huh, they made them longer. Yeah, look at that. They made them longer. Well, you could probably take them out too to clean the back grill. Or pick the motor, whichever you want to do it. Okay. Ah, there it is. Right now, a Sharpie pen. Because something I learned to do with my light bulbs and other fans that I've had is mark the date as to when it first gets plugged in and turned on. What's today? The 26th of June, so we'll just write today, 26th of June, 2009. Normally it would be easier if the controls were up here, like normal, but since they're back here, they're kind of retarded, so... Well, the instruction manual blew away. That might be something. I honestly don't feel much of anything. I honestly don't. You know what we have to do? What I'm doing right now is that where this little pinwheel is, where my hand's standing, that is approximately 3 feet. Well, my measurements could be wrong, and the camera angle might be, but I mean, you can tell there's a slight blast of air that makes this little pinwheel spin, but it's not consistent. Nothing's ever consistent. Okay, there we go. I think I may have found a consistent part, and it just stopped again. So, we're going to try this on a different speed. Okay, here we go. Same test, this time on high. You can tell it wants to. Yeah, it wants to spin. Yeah, look at that pop. Yeah, look at it. Ooh! Please I hope this wind power doesn't rip my clothes off. Probably the only thing this is probably good for is maybe drying the basement or whatever. Well, I mean, like I said, I'll probably eat it because, well, I'll eat it. Before I begin, let me apologize for all the clutter I have here. I've been lazy and it's like, quick, call me some Nash a clean house. Woo! Clean house! Anyway, now that I've totally embarrassed myself, pretty much the bedpost right here, yeah, you can't see it, but yeah, I'm pointing at, and it's approximately 3 feet from this fan. I got my little pinwheel, and once again, I apologize with the camera. I don't have a decent tripod, so there it is, 3 feet from the... Now see, you can see it spinning. It's probably not spinning very fast because this fan's been on like the last 3 days. And the blades might need to be cleaned again, but yeah, it is spinning consistently. Oh, and I think I found a blast spot, so there we go. Yeah, I'm not even gripping this thing very hard. It's about ready to blow out of my hand. Okay, that sucked. But still, point is, this old vintage thing from like 1986 that I bought for 50 cents at a flea market, estate sale, it works great. It keeps me cool and everything else. Sorry about that. Sorry for seeing my fat dip. This one, on the other hand, I can tell we're going to have issues. So, what's probably going to happen? We may decide to keep one and use one for circulation, or vice versa. So, I don't know. Anyway, that one, issues. This one, sorry about the camera angle and the clutter again. Hello, Bruno. That one's definitely a keeper. So, that's my story. I found something interesting with these instructions. I mean, basic one-page instructions, bilingual, or whatever. Apparently, where is it? Something about, yeah, here it is. It's like, once the cord set is locked into place, it cannot and should not be removed from the motor. As you probably saw earlier, I could easily unplug it. So, flaw number one. I may get my other one that is exactly like that, except it has no handle on the top, to see if there's any difference to that. Problem number two. If you notice that the stabilizer feed assembly for all models except P25, from what I heard they stopped making the P25, which I've yet to get one. But, yeah, you'll probably see it on the back. You can't read it, but that design looks like the K223 or the P223 with the shortened feet, because you can tell the blade looks different. And thirdly, installation of windows. How can it work to have that model in the window? I mean, with the plug sticking out like a sore thumb, it's going to be hard to fit. And also, the same design is the same design is like right there. Yeah, same one. So obviously they need to get these things straight, or at least write up some better instructions for them. So, like I said, we're going to have issues with this. And it'll be a matter of time before either it dies or I kill it.